Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss exercise 2.3 from the chapter polynomials and factorization. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description. Watch it. In this exercise 2.3, the first bit is they gave one polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. In this, the first one is x plus 1. So he is asking just a remainder only. So no need to do the long division process. In some questions, he will ask clearly do actual division also. Then only it is necessary to do the actual division. In this case, he is asking only to find the remainder. So no need of any actual division. So simply here plus 1 is there. Substitute minus 1 in the place of x. X cube minus 1 cube plus 3 into x square minus 1 square plus 3 into x minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 as it is plus 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, then the answer will be 0. So the remainder will be 0. Next, second one, he gave it as x minus 1 by 2 is there. So first I'll write the polynomial again. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So here minus 1 by 2 is there. We need to substitute plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 whole cube 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 8 as it is plus 3 ones are 3 by 4 plus 3 ones are 3 by 2 plus 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Now here all the denominators are different, so find the LCM of denominators. 8, 4, 2, 1. LCM is 8. In 8 table, where 8 will come? 1s are. In 4 table, 2s are. In 2 table, 4s are. In 1 table, 8s are. So 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 8s are 8. If we do add all these, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 12 19, 19 plus 8 27 divided by 8. So the remainder will be 27 by 8. Next, third one. He gave x. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. I think maybe the question is wrong. I think so. Because I am using old textbook, I am not sure about this one, what question will be there in that new textbooks or something. So that's why I am leaving it. Next, let us move to the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is x plus pi. So the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here plus pi is there, so we need to substitute minus pi. Minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into pi plus 1. sorry, 3 into minus pi. Minus pi whole cube minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square, pi square, plus into minus 3 pi plus 1. So the answer is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. We cannot simplify further, so answer is completed. Next, fifth one. The question is 5 plus 2x. Here 5 plus is there, so we need to substitute minus 5. Here plus 2 is there, so divided by 2. So we need to substitute minus 5 by 2 in the place of x. I'll write the polynomial again, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Substituting minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube, 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube. This cube is for numerator as well as for denominator also. Power is odd number, so minus as it is. 5 cube 125 by 2 cube 8 plus 3 into minus 5 square 25 by 2 square 4 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into 25 75 by 4 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 1. Here also again all the denominators are different, so do the LCM. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. LCM of 8 4 2 1 is nothing but 8. In 8 table where 8 will come? 1s are. In 4 table 2s are. In 2 table 4s are. In 1 table 8s are. So minus 125 1s are minus 125 plus 75 2s are 150 minus 15 4s are 60 plus 1 8s are 8. I'll do additions and subtractions. Here 150 plus 8 158 minus 125 and 60 minus 165. Oh sorry not 165, 185 divided by 8, which is equals to, if you do subtraction, 158 minus 185, it is minus 27 divided by 8. So the remainder is minus 27 by 8. By this first bit completed, now let us move to the second bit. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. Sorry, here x minus pi is there, so minus pi is there, we need to substitute, sorry, p. Minus p is there, we need to substitute plus p. So p cube minus p into p square plus 6 into p minus p. P cube as it is minus p into p square p cube plus 6 into p 6p minus p. P cube plus p cube minus p cube cancel, so remains with 6p minus p. 6p minus p 5p. So the remainder is 5p. Next, bit number 3. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. So here minus 3 is there, then plus 3, here multiplied by 2 is there, divided by 2. So we need to substitute 3 by 2 in the place of x. Let us check it out. 2 times in the place of x, 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into in the place of x, 3 by 2 plus 5. 2 into 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 5. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we remains with 9 minus 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. Here plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 both will get cancelled, then we remains with the answer 5. In this question only he is asking, does it exactly divide the polynomial, and state reason. No, it won't divide the polynomial exactly, because if we get the remainder 0 then only it will divide exactly, but in this case we won't get the remainder 0, that's why, or we didn't get the remainder 0, that's why it won't divide exactly. Next, fourth one. Find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. Here minus 2 by 3 is there, so we need to substitute plus 2 by 3. So let us substitute now. 9 into x cube is there, so in the place of x 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into x square 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. 9 as it is, 2 by 3 whole cube, 2 cube 8 by 3 cube 27 minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square, 2 square 4 by 3 square 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. 9 ones are 9 threes are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So remains with 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Here all the denominators are same, so write it once. 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5 as usual. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are, that is nothing but 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3. Next, let us move to the question number 5. If the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, then find the value of a. Here it is divided by x minus 2, so we need to substitute plus 2. 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. First I am going to substitute in the first polynomial. 2 as it is, 2 cube 8 plus a into 2 square 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 5. 2 into 8 16 plus a into 4 a4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 16 plus 6 22. 22 minus 5 17 plus 4a. Equation 1. Now let us substitute plus 2 in the second equation. Here we have x second equation, sorry, not equation, polynomial it is. Second polynomial I am writing again, that is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Here again it is also divided by x minus 2 only, so we need to substitute plus 2. 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. 2 cube 8 plus 2 square 4 minus 4 2s are 8 plus a. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel, then we remains with 4 plus a. This is second equation. In the question he clearly mentioned that these two polynomials leave the same remainder. Then first equation is equals to second equation. 17 plus 4a. 17 plus 4a is equals to 4 plus a. Take a this side and 17 to the right side. 4a minus a is equals to 4 minus 17. 4a minus a, 3a is equals to 4 minus 17 minus 13. Then take 3 to the right side, so we get a is equals to minus 13 divided by 3. This is the a value. Next, sixth one. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are divided by x plus 2, leave the same remainder, then find a value. Same again here also. Here x plus 2 is there, so we need to substitute minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5 is equals to. Anyway, he is saying clearly that both are leaving the same remainder, so that's why first step onwards I am making it two equal. I mean two reminders equal. Minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus a. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8 plus a into minus 2 whole square 4 plus 5 is equals to minus 2 whole cube minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 whole square 4 plus a. Left side minus a, right side minus a, both will get cancelled. Then a into 4, 4a plus 5 is equals to minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus a. Take alphabets one side and numbers one side or constants one side. Here 4a as it is plus a I am bringing to the left side minus a, minus 8 as it is plus 5 I am taking another side, it will become minus 5. 4a minus a, 3a is equals to minus 8 minus 5 minus 13. Take 3 to the right side, then it becomes a equals to minus 13 by 3, a value. Same like I think previous answer only. Next, let us move to the seventh bit. In the seventh bit, they give find the remainder when f of x, that is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by x minus 2, as well as verify the result by long division method also. So only in this question is asking now verifying by actual division. So okay, first let us substituting as usual. Here minus 2 is there, so we need to substitute plus 2. 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. 2 power 4 16 minus 3 into 2 square 4 plus 4. 16 minus 3 4s are 12 plus 4. 16 minus 12 4 4 plus 4 8. 8 is the remainder we got. Now we need to do the long division. In the long division also we need to check whether we are getting the same remainder 8 or not. Okay. The given polynomial is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. Okay, now the given question, if you observe clearly, x power 4 is there, but after power 4 power 3 is not there, so that's why I am writing it as 0x power 3, because 0x power 3 is nothing but 0 doesn't have any value, so no problem. Minus 3x square, again after power 2 power 1 is not there, so for that also I am writing it as 0x power 1 plus 4 as it is. Of course, without writing this cube and 1 also we can solve, but just for clarity. So now I don't have any work with this original question now. Okay, let us check. He said that this is divided by x minus 2. So we are dividing this by x minus 2. Sorry, I will make it from down so that I can write the quotient up. Okay, now first term we need to check, that is x. Here first term is x power 4. In x table where we will get x power 4, that is x power 3. X into x power 3 is x power 4. First term I multiplied with x cube, so second term also I need to multiply with x cube only. Minus 2 into x cube minus 2x cube. Now we need to do the subtraction. So plus x power 4 will become minus x power 4, minus 2x cube will become plus 2x cube. These two cancel. 0x cube plus 2x cube, 2x cube. Now drop the remaining, otherwise 1 by 1, it's up to your wish. I am dropping 1 by 1 now. Again, here first term is x, here first term is 2x cube. X should be multiplied by which number? So we will get 2x cube as answer. That is nothing but plus 2x square. X into 2x square is nothing but 2x cube. Then second term, minus 2 into 2x square, minus 4x square. Again doing subtraction as usual. So if you do subtraction, plus 2x cube will become minus 2x cube, minus 4x square will become plus 4x square. These two cancel. Minus 3x square plus 4x square, x square. Dropping remaining. Here 0x is there, so 0x doesn't have any work. Then also I am dropping maybe and plus 4. Now if you observe it, here the first term is x, here x square. X should be multiplied by which number so that we will get x square? It's again x only. X into x is x square. So here plus x. X into x is x square. Here x square. Then second term is minus 2. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Here plus x square will become minus x square, minus 2x will become plus 2x. These two cancel. This will become then 2x. This will become plus 4. So next, x is there. X should be multiplied with 2. X, if we multiply that with 2, so it will become 2x. Then minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Symbols will change. Plus 2x will become minus 2x, minus 4 will become plus 4. These two cancel. 4 plus 4 is 8. So here we got the remainder as 8. Then when we substituted also, we got the remainder as 8 only. So verification done. Next, question number 8. X cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. Find the remainder when x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by 1 minus 2x. Here plus 1 is there, so minus 1. Here multiplied by minus 2 is there, so that's why it will become divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, so remains with 1 by 2. It means in the place of x we need to substitute 1 by 2. Let us check. 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. 1 by 2 whole cube 1 by 8 minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. Here 2 1s are 2 7s are plus 7 minus 3. 1 by 8 minus 6 by 4 plus 7 minus 3, 4. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. All the denominators are different, so LCM of 8, 4, 1 is 8. In 8 table, where 8 will come? 1s are. In 4 table, 2s are. In 1 table, 8s are. So 1 1s are 1 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 4 8s are 32, which is equals to 32 plus 1, 33 minus 12 divided by 8. And 33 minus 12 is nothing but 21 divided by 8. Here any simplification is possible, means we need to do that simplification, but here it is not possible, so just leave it. Now the same question he is asking again, and verify the result by long division method. So in the previous problem what we did, the long division method, the same we need to follow here also. Okay, I am writing the polynomial again. That is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. Here power 3 is there, power 2 is there, power 1 is there, and the alphabet is not there. Okay, that's it. It's in order only correctly. This we need to divide by 1 minus 2x. So here 1 minus 2x, if we write it in order, minus 2x plus 1. So minus 2x minus 2x plus 1. Let us check it out now. You can write the quotient top of the problem also, otherwise right side of the problem also. Both will be same. Now minus 2x should be multiplied by which number so that we will get x cube? Minus 2x should be multiplied by some number so that we will get x cube. Observe here clearly. Here minus is there, whereas our answer is plus. So it should be multiplied with minus compulsory. Then minus into minus, it will become plus. Here x is there, here x cube is there, so x square it should be compulsory. Here number 2 is there, but in the answer number 2 is not there, means by 2 you write. So minus 2x should be multiplied with minus x square by 2. Minus x square by 2. Write that here. Minus x square by 2. That will become x cube. Next second term, plus 1 into minus x square by 2 minus x square by 2. We are doing subtraction, so symbols will change. Plus x cube will become minus x cube, minus x square by 2 will become plus x square by 2. These two cancel. Minus 6x square plus x square by 2, what will be the answer? X square by 2 minus 6x square, that is nothing but x square minus 2 6 are 12x square by 2. X square minus 12 minus 11x square by 2. Minus 11x square by 2. Dropping one more, that is plus 14x. Now again first term is minus 2x, here first term is minus 11x square by 2. Minus 2x should be multiplied by which number so that our answer is minus 11x square by 2. Minus 11x square by 2. Here minus is there, answer is also minus, so it should be plus because minus into plus is minus. Here x is there, here x square is there, so here x should be there compulsory. Here 11 is not there, but here 11 is there, means that 11 also should be there. Here 2 is there, but in the denominator 2 is there, so it means divided by 4 should be there. It means minus 2x should be divided by, multiplied by 11x by 4. 11x by 4. Plus 11x by 4. Then it will become minus 11x square by 2. Next, plus 1 into plus 11x by 4, plus 11x by 4. Symbols will change, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, these two will get cancelled. Then we remains with 14x minus 11x by 14. 4 into 14, 56x minus 11x by 4. 56 minus 11, 45x divided by 4. So here we need to write 45x by 4. 45x by 4. Next, dropping again minus 3. Minus 3. Now first term is minus 2x. Minus 2x should be multiplied by which number so that our answer will be 45x divided by 4. Here minus is there, in the answer minus is not there, so it means this should be minus compulsory. Answer 45 is there, here 45 is not there, so compulsory here 45 should be there. Here x, there also x, no problem. Divided by 8. So 2 1s are 2, 8, 2 4s are 8 it will come. So it should be multiplied by minus 45 by 8. Minus 45 by 8. Minus 45 by 8. It will come 45x by 4 plus 1 into minus 45 by 8 minus 45 by 8. This 2 will get cancelled. This will become plus. So now we remains with 45 by 8 minus 3. 45 minus 8 3s are 24 divided by 8. 45 minus 24, 21 divided by 8. So this is the remainder. 21 divided by 8. Let us check when we substituted we got the same remainder or not. 21 by 8. Of course we got the correct answer 21 by 8 here also. So it means whatever the process we did is correct. Next, last question. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2. X minus 2 is there, so we need to substitute plus 2. So 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. And he clearly mentioned that when this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, it leaves remainder 2. So make it equals to 2. Let us simplify now. 2 times 2 cube 8 plus 3 times 2 square 4 plus a into 2 2a plus b equals to 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 2a plus b equals to 2. 16 plus 12 28. 28 plus oh sorry this is not 6, b actually it is. Alphabet b for batch. Okay. 16 plus 12 28 plus 2a plus b equals to 2. Oh, I'm sorry, again not 2a, it is 28. This 28, if we take another side, we remains with 2a plus b is equals to 2 minus 28. Then we get 2a plus b equals to 2 minus 28 minus 26. This is the equation number 1. Next, when the polynomial, same polynomial again, 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Now this time it is being divided by x plus 2 by leaving the remainder minus 2. So x plus 2 is there, then we need to substitute minus 2. Let us substitute. 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b. And he clearly mentioned that after dividing it with x plus 2, it leaves the remainder minus 2. So make it equals to minus 2. Let us simplify now. 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 a into minus 2 minus 2a plus b equals to minus 2. 2 into minus 8 minus 16 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 2a plus b equals to minus 2. Take minus 4 to the right side. Minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2 plus 4. Then minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2 plus 4, 2. This is equation number 2. Now let us solve both the equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2. We have equation A is 2a plus b is equals to 2a plus b is equals to minus 26, and second equation minus 2a plus b is equals to 2. I am going to add both the equations so that plus 2a minus 2a cancel. B plus b, 2b is equals to minus 26 plus 2 minus 24. Take 2 to the right side, then it will become division. B is equals to minus 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So b is equals to minus 12. This b value you can substitute either in the equation 1 or else in the equation 2. So I am going to substitute in the equation 1, that is 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. So 2a as it is, b value we got as minus 12, so substituting minus 12 is equals to minus 26. Now take minus 12 to the right side, then we get 2a is equals to minus 26 plus 12. 2a is equals to minus 26 plus 12 is nothing but minus 14. So a value we want, then take 2 also to the right side. So a is equals to minus 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Then a is equals to minus 7. Already we got the b value as minus 12 and a value is minus 7. So b value is minus 12. A value minus 7, b value minus 12. By this problem we completed the total exercise. So till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.